Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix VALORANT Error Code 128 when Vanguard is not initialized. Are you launching VALORANT and seeing Vanguard fail to start properly? Or are you stuck restarting the game with no luck at all? Don't worry, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know to get Vanguard running again. First, press the Windows key and R on your keyboard to open the Run window. In this box, type Msconfig and press OK. When the system configuration window opens, make sure Normal Startup is selected under the General tab. After that, switch to the Services section and look for VGC. Make sure the box next to VGC is checked, then click OK. When prompted, restart your computer so the changes can apply correctly. Next, after your PC boots back up, open the Start menu and type Services, then click on it. In the Services window, click anywhere in the list and press the letter V on your keyboard to quickly jump to VGC. Right-click on the VGC service and select Properties. Here, set the startup type to automatic and check the service status. If it's not running, click Start and wait a few seconds. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure Riot Client and VALORANT are fully closed, you're using a Windows Administrator account, and no system updates are pending. Doing this beforehand can save time and help prevent Vanguard from failing again. Once you've completed these steps, click Apply and then OK, and close the Services window. Now launch the Riot client and start VALORANT. After that, you should be able to enter the game without seeing error code 128 anymore. It's also a good idea to keep Vanguard enabled at startup. This helps ensure it initializes correctly every time. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to fix the VALORANT error code 128 and the Vanguard not initialized issue without any hassle. Thanks for watching this Delft Stack tutorial video. If you found this helpful, feel free to share it with someone who might need it. Why not make their day a little easier?